Hello everyone, I am Saijit and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the 3 minutes charging and 55 minutes of gaming test in the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see, friends, this is a Realme X7 Pro, and during the launch timing of this Realme X7 Pro launch event, I did see the Realme, they did mention in the, as you can see in the one of the slide, so it says 3 minutes of charging will give you the 55 minutes of gaming. So this is a real-time test scenario, friends. Let's test. So what will be the maximum gaming you can do with the 3 minutes of testing? I'm not convinced with this kind of 55 minutes of gaming from 3 minutes of charging. So that's what right now I decided to do this kind of test on the Realme X7 Pro. So let's test, friends, whether this kind of statistics is correct or not. So for that, I did have this kind of small chart ready here. So first I'll try to charge 3 minutes. I'll try to record the starting battery percentage and ending battery percentage, and gaming as well. When I started, what is the battery percentage, and when I ended, how much the battery percentage. So we can calculate how long we have got the phone as well. I'll try to write down the how many time, starting time and ending time, something like that. So as you can see right now, the battery percentage is of only 3%, friends, as you can see here. So as soon as I start charging, I'll try to record the stopwatch timings as well. So we'll see how much time. So in this 3 minutes, how much the phone got charged as well, we will be able to see the difference. So right now, let me try to quickly get the cable and start connecting to the phone. So as soon as I connect the cable, I'll try to start the stopwatch to show you that what is the test I'll be using. I'll try to use the Wi-Fi connection and 50% brightness during this time of testing by playing the game, which is a simple car game, not the PUBG game. But I'll start with the simple car game. If I'm getting 55 minutes of charging, if battery life, I'll try to use the PUBG game as well in the next video. But right now, let's see, friends. I'll try to show you that I'm using the 65-watt fast charging in the lock screen. So just for the animation, so as you can see, so right now as you can see, super dot has been detected, and let me try to quickly start the charging. So right now I started when the battery is at around 3%. So right now the battery is at 3%, friends. So let me try to quickly disable the screen of gestures as well, always on display. So I disabled always on display. So I started with the 3%. So I'll try to do this kind of charging test for the next 3 minutes continuously. So let's see, friends, in this kind of 3 minutes, how much the phone will be able to charge it. And later on, immediately I'll try to start playing the game continuously, and the game is offline game. It doesn't require any kind of internet connection as well. So let's start with the basic games. So if we are getting the 55 minutes of gaming time, so definitely I'll try using the higher games later on in the upcoming videos. But let's focus on this kind of 3 minutes 55 minutes of gaming. I'm not convinced, friends. So with the 3 minutes 55 minutes of gaming, as you can see, it's really under big step, big climb that Realme they are climbing. So let's see whether it is possible or not right now. So as you can see, friends, exactly 3 minutes 30 seconds I did stop charging the phone, and the battery percentage reached to the 16%, as you can see here. So right now let me quickly start the game. So let me try to disable the Wi-Fi as well, and because of the game is offline game, so which doesn't require much of the Wi-Fi connection at all. So that's why I thought of playing this kind of offline game first. So I'm starting the battery percentage, and let me even start the stopwatch as well. So right now the stopwatch has been begun, as you can see, and the battery percentage when I'm starting the gaming is about 16%. Let me try to start playing the game. So this is a very small game, friends, which doesn't require much of the CPU and the GPU attention at all. So I just want to continue playing this game with a 50% brightness. So that is what I am particular about right now, maintaining the 50% brightness continuously during this time. So right now the stopwatch has also been started. And I did give 30 seconds more time because I forgot to disable the always on display during this time. So that's why I gave the 30 seconds kind of bonus points. But overall, let's see whether the battery backup will be kind of close to 55 minutes or not. I'm hoping maybe we will be able to play for the next 25 minutes, but not more than close to 55 minutes. I don't think so we're gonna get in this phone. But let's see, friends, let's see what's gonna happen right now. But overall, this is a game which I'm playing right now, and there is no Wi-Fi connection, there is nothing, but there is still a dual SIM card is already in the phone. 2 SIM cards are there in the phone, and I'm not using any kind of loudspeaker or any Bluetooth earphones connected, so I'm not doing anything. I know you, if you want, you can still connect the Bluetooth earphones, but I just want to try first with this kind of basic simple test to see whether the phone we will be able to get the maximum battery out of it or not while gaming. So let's see friends, again I will be back after maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes, something like that. I'll be again updating you on the battery life, how much it is, how much we are getting. So they, if when they say 55 minutes of battery charging game, then definitely they need to mention what game they are looking into, because we do have plenty of games, some lakhs of games are available, so they need to be particularly about which game they're mentioning over there. So 55 minutes of gaming, in what condition? If you use 50% brightness or 10% brightness, or what condition they need to mention. Otherwise, if they just claim that 3 minutes of charging and 55 minutes of battery gaming you can get in this phone, then definitely it's kind of a little bit kind of misleading, I would say, definitely. So we'll get to know friends in this kind of test, which is a real life scenario test right now I'm doing in this phone. So again I'll be back after a few more minutes. So let's see what's gonna happen, and do comment below friends, what are your thoughts about this kind of 3 minutes and 55 minutes of gaming. What do you think about this phone when they say that? So again I'll be back after a few more minutes, and by the time to till now when I started, right now the battery decreased to 15% from 16%. As you can see, 1% got decreased in this first 3 minutes. So let's see friends, again after a couple of minutes, how much the battery percentage will decrease. So right now you can see friends, it's been 37 minutes of continuously playing the game in this phone, in the Realme X7 Pro, and finally the battery percentage reached to the 4%, as you can see, for the first 37 minutes. So overall 3 minutes of charging can give you maybe rough close to 40 minutes of gaming, I think. But 55 minutes, it's kind of maybe if you use the little bit kind of less brightness and less graphics oriented games, so you might be able to achieve that kind of 55 minutes gaming, I think so. So that's it friends, this is a quick testing on this Realme X7 Pro as well, and for more videos make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.